In 2026, having just one source of income is no longer risky, it's dangerous. What if your main income stopped tomorrow? Would you still survive or struggle? In this video, I'll show you why multiple streams of income are no longer optional and how ordinary people are building them right now. Watch till the end. This could change your financial future. Intro: why this matters in 2026. Let's be honest, the world has changed. Jobs are no longer secure. Inflation is rising. AI is replacing roles. Businesses are scaling down overnight. In 2026, the smartest people are not asking how much do I earn, they're asking how many streams of income do I have. What are multiple streams of income? Multiple streams of income simply mean earning money from more than one source instead of relying on a single paycheck. Examples: salary plus online business, business plus investments, freelancing plus digital products. The goal is financial stability, not burnout. Why multiple streams of income are a necessity in 2026. 1. One income is one point of failure. Relying on one income is like standing on one leg. Example: you lose your job, your business slows down, the economy crashes. With multiple streams, one income can fail, but others keep you afloat. 2. Inflation is quietly reducing your money. Prices keep rising, but salaries stay the same. Example: what 10,000 naira could buy before now costs 20,000 plus. Your income stays fixed, but expenses increase. Multiple income streams help you outpace inflation, not chase it. 3. Digital opportunities are exploding. In 2026, income is no longer limited by location. Examples: YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, freelancing, writing, design, voiceover, online coaching or consulting. People are earning globally while spending locally. Types of income streams you should know. 1. Active income. This is money you earn by trading time for money. Examples: salary, freelancing, consulting. Good for starting, but limited by time. 2. Passive income. This is money that continues to come with little daily effort. Examples: YouTube videos, digital products, ebooks, courses, affiliate links. You work once, earn repeatedly. 3. Portfolio or investment income. Money that grows through assets. Examples: stocks, crypto with caution, real estate, mutual funds. This is how wealth is preserved long term. Real-life examples, very important for retention. Example 1. The salary worker. 9-to-5 job, starts YouTube on weekends, monetizes with ads plus affiliate links. One job loss doesn't destroy their life. Example 2. The small business owner. Physical shop income, adds online sales, creates digital tutorials. Income flows even when the shop is closed. Example 3. The student or beginner. Learns a skill online, freelances, saves and invests profits, builds wealth early instead of waiting. How to start multiple streams without overwhelm. Important rule: do not start many streams at once. Start one, then stack. Step by step, master one income stream, automate it or stabilize it, then add another complementary stream. Example: YouTube to affiliate marketing to digital product. Common mistakes to avoid: chasing quick money, doing too many things at once, quitting too early, not reinvesting profits. Success comes from consistency, not confusion. Mindset shift for 2026. Stop thinking, I need one big opportunity. Start thinking, I need multiple small systems that pay me. That's how financial freedom is built. Final motivation. In 2026, wealth is not about working harder. It's about working smarter and diversifying income. The question is not, can I build multiple streams? The real question is, can you afford not to? If this video helped you, like the video, comment multiple streams, subscribe for weekly motivation, business, and financial growth. Your future self will thank you.